Why is biofilm formation important to understand? Imagine tiny microbial cities growing on surfaces, creating sticky layers that are almost impossible to remove. That's what biofilm formation is all about. These microbial communities are like microscopic metropolises, made up of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes that stick together and to surfaces. They produce a slimy, glue-like matrix that keeps them safe from threats. This gooey shield makes biofilms much tougher to eliminate than individual microbes. Understanding how biofilms form is key because they cause many real-world problems. They can clog pipes, foul surfaces, and interfere with medical devices like catheters and implants. In hospitals, biofilms make infections harder to treat because antibiotics struggle to penetrate the protective layer. This can lead to persistent infections that last longer and are more difficult to cure. Biofilms are also fascinating from a biological point of view. They can grow in bizarre shapes, like mushroom caps or layered canopies, especially under unusual conditions like microgravity in space. Experiments on the International Space Station have shown bacteria from different, sometimes strange, biofilm structures without Earth's gravity. These shapes can influence how microbes spread or survive in space habitats. From a scientific view, biofilms are like tiny building blocks or Lego structures. Researchers can manipulate them with light or other forces, even control their growth or destruction. Scientists have used lasers to trap and control biofilm clusters, which could lead to new ways of creating biodegradable materials or sensors based on microbial communities. This quirky side of biofilms shows how physics and biology can mix in surprising ways. Knowing how biofilms develop helps us find better ways to fight them. For example, studying their shape, thickness, and gene activity can lead to new medicines that can break down these communities. It can also help in designing surfaces that resist biofilm buildup, like in water systems or medical devices. But biofilms are not just problems. Scientists are also exploring how to use them for good. They can be engineered to create living materials or biosensors that respond to environmental changes. This shows how strange and versatile biofilms can be beyond their reputation as stubborn slime. In the end, understanding biofilm formation reveals the weird, complex ways microbes survive and adapt. It helps us fight infections and contamination better, and it sparks ideas for new technologies. The strange shapes and behaviors of biofilms, especially under unusual conditions like space or laser control, make them a captivating part of microscopic marvels and bizarre biology.